Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Today I'm making some delicious stuffed mushrooms. They are the perfect summer snack, so let's get started. In a bowl I already have some shredded cheddar cheese, some crispy bacon and some onion. Going to add in some cream cheese. Salt and pepper and mix it well around. My oven is already at 180 degrees C convection oven or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. I have some mushrooms I've just cleansed and taken the stem out. Going to add in some of my filling, both inside and some on the top. These are now ready to bake in the oven for around 12 to 15 minutes, and after they are ready to be served. But I recommend you guys just let them rest for about 10 minutes before you serve them because they are quite hot. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Give it a go. Ingredients are down below as always. Bye!